Well, it started raining, and
It started raining bad.
we were weed eating around our compost bins, and we realized that we have got a huge tomato plant growing out of our compost bin. As you can tell, there's the stem growing into the compost. Come on, let's go walk underneath Rotini's shed so we don't get wet. Let's check on him while we're doing this. Hey buddy, how you doing?
Let me put Richie.
Yeah.
Let me put him out in the rain.
Yeah, he loves that. He just don't realize it's raining right now.
Come on, big boy. Come on, Mr. Tino's. You're getting to be a big old boy. Yeah, big old boy.
I bet he's 12, 13 pounds by now.
You want to go play in the rain? Let's go play in the rain, buddy.
So we got quite a bit of a good rainstorm coming, and we're trying to get the garden area mowed and weed eated. Everything's looking great. Thank you, Lord, for the rain. Back in the back corner over here, we let Don tell you what we've got planted over here and what we're going to end up doing with this little area right here. This is the tortoise cactus pad area.
So we got lots of things that have changed around here. We have lots of pretty flowers to attract the hummingbirds and a hummingbird feeder, because we put a pool in and the hummingbirds aren't coming to our patio anymore. So in this farthest bed is our pepper bed. There's every kind of pepper you can probably imagine in there.
I know.
Including serrano, which are my absolute favorite. And we did a jalapeno called Fuji that's supposedly not hot, so I'm interested to see how that turns out.
Yeah.
And then in this bed is our cucumber bed, our Swiss chard bed, and there is one little tomato plant over in the corner. And then the next one over the trellis is our zucchini and our crooked neck yellow squash.
Love crooked necks.
And then we have radishes, and there is a cantaloupe plant planted. And then in this little 4x4 bed is our tomato plants. And we need to make another 4x4 because we've got some watermelon that I really want to plant and get going. And I think my absolute favorite part is back in the back, there is a blackberry bush and a blueberry bush, but I absolutely love blackberries. So we've got that and it's doing good, and we just actually found another blackberry bush that we need to plant. And then one of the things that happened before we fenced in the yard is our fig tree. Gunner chewed on it, so he can't do it anymore.
I thought it was dead because it lasted through the winter and through the spring, and I broke some of it off, and I thought it was dead, and we dug it up, but
cut it back and put it in
her
a bucket.
Her mom said to put it in a bucket, and it's kind of quit raining right now. And let me show you guys. Let me walk over here, and Dawn, come with me. Hey, Rotini.
Did you have fun in the shower?
That rain shower didn't last very long.
Nope, it's still sprinkling a little bit.
But
oh, and onions, I forgot. They're not big, so I didn't see them from over there. So these are red onions, and then we have white onions over on this side for cooking and stuff.
Look at that stuff go.
And we had a tomato trellis around that tomato, but we stole it. And we found a free tomato plant, which we have no idea what kind it is.
It's probably aroma because that's all we've ever bought in the grocery store.
Most of the time that's what we buy is aroma, but sometimes we get the big ones.
So here is our, what kind of tree did you say this was?
This is a fig.
Oh yeah, the fig tree is starting to come back, so we're going to...
It's shown enough progress, it's time to dig a hole and get him back in the ground.
Yep. And here is the cactus pad area. It needs, we're going to weed it. And
I got new ones coming, So, and I got more shipped to me because that's what the tortoises love to eat as a treat is cactuses. So if you can grow your own, you might as well grow your own because they certainly keep growing and reproducing.
Here's the persimmon that we planted. Basically just a shade tree for the tortoise once it gets a little bit bigger.
No, it produces fruit.
Yeah, but if you'll eat a persimmon, I'll give you $1.
I'll eat one, I promise.
Oh, okay.
I'll eat more than one.
Our blackberry bush is doing good. We're going to let it grow up on the fence here and finish up the mowing and a weed eating, and we need to make a trip to Tractor Supply for some supplies. And guys, appreciate y'all sharing this little moment with us today. Got some marigolds over here, pretty little pink flowers underneath the windmill project complete, new bearings, new bushings, all that stuff.
These are my favorite flowers.
What is it?
I don't remember. I got some more yesterday.
It's a pretty one.
This one's a different color scheme.
Hey, Rotini.
They're lantana.
Lantana.
But see, these are different colors.
Yeah.
So I think they're so pretty. Let me make sure it ain't gonna get away.
Here, stick it right under the eave of the house. Well, I'll get too much water if you do that.
I just, you know, he does his path. I didn't want to put it. I watered that last night. I don't want to overwater it because it looks like it from being in the back of the truck.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's from just being in the back of the truck or if I watered it too much last night, so it's still pretty wet, so I don't want to put it out here.
Yeah, we're good to go there. What you doing there, bud? We sure do love you.
And your little girlfriend's in the house. They're getting big too.
Alrighty, guys, we got the pen and Rotini's out, and he's loving this rain. But
thanks everyone for watching, and we're excited about all the things that we're doing. We're very much newcomers, but you know, I love my chickies over there, but I'm really starting to love all this garden growing too. So I spend a lot of time out here making sure everything's good, and just I want to be excited every time something happens, and seeing that tomato growing out of the compost, like, unbelievable. But God works in mysterious ways, and that's why things survive. So I hope you all have a great day, and we will see you again soon.
yes, ma'am.
You rotating.
Bye, y'all.